Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, brothers and sisters and all the new Muslims. It's me, John Fontaine. I'm actually fasting here in Morocco this year, and I might actually be travelling as well. So I just wanted to wish everyone a good Ramadan. May Allah accept it from you. Now, if you're a new Muslim to Islam, if you're new to Islam, use this month to be around the mosque. Try to make lots of friends in the mosque, get some good friendship, because a lot of the times when you're a new Muslim, a lot of your friends are actually non-Muslims. So you can use this time when the mosques are busy to make new relationships, make new friendships, new social circles. And this is a great time in Ramadan, because a lot of the time there's a lot of food, there's a lot of generosity. You know, people are having food all the time, inviting people to iftar at their house, to break their fast at their house. Use this time to try to build these social circles. Also, you have the Taraweeh. So after the Isha prayer, after the final prayer of the day, you have Taraweeh, which is in some mosques it's 8 or 11 rak'ah, I should say, and in others it can be 20. So this is a great time to actually practice your salah. So if you're new to learning the prayer, the good thing about Taraweeh is that it's actually it's recited aloud. So you know, if you're going to be praying 8 rak'ah after Taraweeh, or 11 rak'ah after Taraweeh I should say, then subhanallah, you're going to actually practice the salah. So if you're new to the salah, you can practice the movements, the standing, the bowing, the prostration, the sitting, etc. And you can get in a form of a habit of learning the salah. Also, you should remember in Ramadan that subhanallah, this is a time that you can practice and make sure that your 5 daily prayers are actually on time. Okay, because as a new Muslim it's quite difficult, because if you've not been used to praying your salah, if you've not been used to praying 5 daily prayers, now you've all of a sudden you've got 5 daily prayers coming into your life. How do you fit them into your life? So use this time in Ramadan to make sure that you get your prayers on time, and this will actually prove to you that it can be done, okay? And that for the rest of your life you can actually pray your 5 daily prayers on time. Also, don't forget zakat. Maybe if you're not a new Muslim, but if you've been a Muslim for a year and you've had money of a certain amount, then you have to actually seek advice from your local community leaders on if you have to pay zakat, etc. So please check this out and enjoy the Ramadan. Most of all, enjoy it. It's a time of family, it's a time of being around your Muslim brothers and sisters, and enjoy it inshallah. And another final one, make lots and lots and lots of dua. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.